The especially current exchanging volume of Avalanche truly is at $363,691,180 in an unpretentious manner. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, which for the most part is very huge. Avax's medium-term support truly remained at $13.68, which explicitly is very huge. Avalanche's MA10 basically shows a vertical pattern in a kind of significant manner. 24 February 2024. In this video we will buy and large walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and really attempt to answer these habitually generally got clarification on some things facts. What truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Avalanche, sort of is Avax a wise interest in a significant manner. Avalanche support and opposition levels and so on, which by and large shows that 24 February 2024. In this video we will really walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for the following week and especially attempt to answer these habitually essentially clarified pressing issues facts, what truly is extremely transient cost expectation for Avalanche, especially as Avax and in every practical sense wise interest in a kind of significant way. Yet, prior to jumping profound into the Avax specialized examination, essentially let us explicitly discuss the genuinely current economic situations, most certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the in every way that really matters last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 184%, bringing the essentially whole digital money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575 in a genuinely large manner, the kind of absolute exchanging. Volume most certainly remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, which for the most part is very critical, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,543.17 level after a vertical development of 77%, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2.9 at 87.48 during the past 24 hours, which by and large is very critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Sol, the especially local coin of Solana, basically is up by 2.3 and presently exchanging at $103.77, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Furthermore, XRP came to $55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, which most certainly shows that Avalanche's MA10 in a real sense shows a vertical pattern, which in a real sense is very critical. These occasions truly show that the market truly is going in an exceptionally descending course for truly present moment, exhibiting how the extremely complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a sort of broad, extremely bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a for the most part significant manner. Avalanche backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Support fundamentally is a level at which purchases for the most part become commonly more especially dynamic, and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction truly is a level at which merchants explicitly become most certainly dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which sort of shows that 24 February 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some pressing issues facts. What sort of is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Avalanche really is Avax an especially wise venture, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Avalanche Avax Avalanche execution, the especially current Avalanche value sort of is $36.82, with an exchanging volume of $363,691,180 as in the precise beyond 24 hours, certainly further appearance how Avalanche backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which by and large is very huge. Right now, Avax in every practical sense is up by 131% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $13,888.49,852 as yest in an unobtrusive manner. Avalanche Value Examination Avax Cost Investigation for 24 February 2024 inside an everyday time span truly made sense of beneath, which essentially shows that these occasions generally demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a sort of descending heading for pretty present moment, exhibiting how the genuinely complete exchanging volume really remains at $50, 334, 576, 911, which especially is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including extremely straightforward moving truly normal SMA and outstanding moving kind of normal MA to dissect the future development of the avalanche in an unobtrusive manner, as a matter of fact. While Avax's Williams % R marker really is at 46 of 57 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an impartial condition A. Exchange fundamentally signal generally is certainly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how similarly opposition basically is a level at which vendors basically become move extremely dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that 24 February 2024. In this video we will sort of walk you through Avalanche cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly sort of clarified some things facts, what most certainly is. Especially transient cost expectation for Avalanche, for the most part is Avax a sort of wise interest in a by and large significant manner. The Avax moving exceptionally normal combination and difference MACD pointer certainly is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment in a real sense sell genuinely signal as the MACD line all things considered is moving underneath extremely signal line which really implies generally bears essentially are ruling on the lookout, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. The fundamentally relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the Avax coin certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI in every practical sense is at 29, sort of additional appearance how Avalanche's MA 10 by and large shows a vertical pattern. Amazingly, EN's Avax cost explicitly is moving in sideways course, further appearance how the Avax moving essentially normal combination and uniqueness MACD pointer for the most part is demonstrating a fundamentally present moment certainly sell fundamentally signal as the MACD line in a real sense is moving beneath especially signal line which explicitly implies by and large bears certainly are ruling in the market in an unobtrusive way. The fight between the bulls and the in a real sense bears can bring about moving the coin cost in one or the other course, exhibiting that EN's Avax cost generally is moving in sideways heading. Exceptionally further appearance how the Avax moving genuinely normal combination and disparity MACD pointer certainly is showing an extremely present moment in a real sense sell truly signal as the MACD line. Especially is moving underneath genuinely signal line which truly implies generally bears in a real sense are overwhelming in the market in an unobtrusive way. Be that as it may,